One of the things I love most, especially in wintertime when it's too cold outside, is to grill indoor. And I have a grill pan, but my grill pan is special. It's made by my good friends at Marquette Castings, but this grill pan is also a panini maker, and I absolutely love it. It gives the perfect crunch, the perfect marking, and reminds me of my youth in Sicily. This is a very basic sandwich, which is very typical of a snack in any place where people stop to have a drink, to just grab something on the run. It's called toast, which basically means not the same thing as in English. This is something that is filled with the goodness of Italy. Let me show you exactly what I mean. We start with a nice slice of bread. On the inside, you want to be somewhat generous, but not excessive. We're smearing some butter on it. Smearing, what a lovely word that is. I learned that from my wife, and occasionally I use it myself. This also adds a certain creamy texture to the whole thing. The next thing that we're going to do, we're going to assemble a little bit of ham. What I like to use is, in Italian, we use prosciutto cotto, which in English translates cooked ham. This particular ham is baked, and I love the taste of it, and it has a wonderful reminiscent taste of the prosciutto cotto made in Italy. Now, don't stack it up too high. This is not a mile-high sandwich. This is a sandwich that lets each one of the ingredients talk for themselves, and you'll see exactly what I mean. So here we go with this. Now, Italian style, another addition, which to some is not necessary, but to me it's so much fun, is the addition of the basil. Why? The basil has a fresh taste to it. It brings out an essence, especially as it cooks, as it toasts in the panini making function of my grill pan. It brings out an aromatic that's totally unexpected in a sandwich of this size. And the coup de grace, using a French word that I barely know how to pronounce, is the addition of mozzarella. This has to be fresh mozzarella. This cannot be processed mozzarella. This has to be mozzarella the old school, because what we're looking for really here is the mixing between the prosciutto cotto and the mozzarella. And here we go. We have just about everything we need. We go with another piece of bread, and even in spite of the fact that it's covering a little bit of mozzarella, what I like to do with it is also to put a nice smearing of butter, and use the best butter that you can. This is a quality sandwich. Now, the sandwich is assembled. I'm going to go back to my grill pan, and I'm going to show you exactly how to make the best panini ever. Come with me. What you will notice in this particular grill pan is that the grill marks are quite wide. Also, the ribs are fairly high and elevated from the base, giving enough air underneath as it becomes super hot to shoot right upward and leave these wonderful markings, not only on the bread, on the sandwich that I showed you, but you can do that with a pork chop, with a piece of fish, you can do with a steak. The very heavy weight that is the cover, which by the way does not cover the pan completely, but it puts a weight as if pushing whatever it is that you're cooking further down into the heat, excessively increasing the ability to get those markings. In the end, it creates for you a crustiness on the outside that is unparalleled. I've never seen it anywhere else. The sandwich is ready. I mean, really, check out these grill marks. They are spectacular. And what I love is the crisscross and the crustiness that's formed on the outside. But the best part, it's on the inside. Let me cut the sandwich and show it to you. You ready? Look at this. How juicy, how beautiful all of this is. And every time you take a bite, you have the creaminess of the mozzarella, you have the little bit of the butter on the inside, you have the ham, and the combination of these two. This is a fantastic snack. People say it's just a sandwich. Yeah, you can call it just a sandwich. But to me, this is a little bit of Italy. To me, this is like a fantasy that becomes true. And if you want to see a grown man become a child again, watch this. And this is how you make a panini. Mamma mia. I love this pan. I love this pan. The panini too.